How to turn off dark mode. Are you guys facing issue to turn off dark mode in DataCamp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open DataCamp on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, just simply look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see this option for settings. Just simply tap on settings. After you click on settings, you will be forwarded to this interface where you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on this appearance option. Tap on appearance. After you click on appearance, you can see three options: light mode, dark mode, and use device setting. You are looking to disable dark mode, right? Just simply select the first option, light mode. And that's it, guys. That's how you can disable dark mode in DataCamp application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.